Hello everyone, my name is Vansh. This is my team Nimit, Kaustubh and Shreya. We are from Institute of Hotel Management, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Today we are going to prepare a delicious snack called Chettinad chicken quiche. This is from Chettinad cuisine from Tamil Nadu. The millets we are using is ragi and bajra, also known as in English pearl millet and finger millet. The ingredients which we are going to use for our dish is chopped onions, whole bajra, chicken stock or also known as white stock, the ragi, spinach, dry red chili, jeera powder, almond flour, butter, salt, honey, coconut oil, vinegar, lemon juice, walnut, oil. This is coconut. This is coconut milk, tomatoes, bay leaf. This is boiled chicken in water and salt, jeera. This is a green cardamom, black cardamom, star anise and cloves, saumph, black stone flour, black peppercorn, feta cheese, coriander seeds, amul cheese, ragi. This is roasted bay leaves, coconut cream, rye, hung curd, garlic. This is madras, curry powder and green chilies. First we will add ragi flour, then we will add almond flour, we will combine it well, then we will add honey, again we will combine it well and give it a grainy like texture a bit, and in a measuring cup we will take 1/4 cup of coconut oil. We will add it to the flour. We will combine it well until the tart like texture come up. We will add a pinch of salt and a pinch of jeera powder. If needed, you can also add a bit of more coconut oil. Now we are ready with the tart dough. Now we will make the tarts. We will take a handful of dough and put it in the tart tin. Now the tart is ready. We will start scoring the tarts and we will put it in the oven then. Now we are docking the tart and we will keep it in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the tart has been blind baked and we will take it out of the oven. We have put the tart to be cooled down. Meanwhile, we will prepare the Chettinad masala. We have taken refined oil. We will add jeera. We will wait for it to crackle up. Then we add coriander seeds and we will mix it well. We will add star anise, green cardamom, black cardamom and cloves. And we will add black stone flour. We will take dried red chili and we will add into it, and some cinnamon and bay leaves. We will give it a good mix. Then we will add grated coconut. Now we are done with the roasting. We will cool it down and we will grind it. After grinding, this is the Chettinad masala, and now we will start with the tomato onion gravy. We have added a bit of oil, and now we are adding garlic and ginger. We will give it a good mix. We will add chopped onions. And tomatoes. After a while, we will add the chicken stock, about 2 ladles. Now that the onion has been cooked, now we will churn it and we will add it in a bowl. While the gravy is being churned, we will boil the bajra, the whole bajra. Now the bajra has been boiled and we'll take it to the grinding. This is how the tomato onion gravy will turn out, and this is how the bajra will turn out after the grinding. Now we will prepare ragi roux sauce. First we'll add butter, we'll let it melt, then we are going to whisk it a bit so that the butter doesn't get burned. Now we'll add ragi flour and we'll wait to give a roux like texture to it. After the roux is done, we'll add coconut milk. We'll add the coconut milk portion by portion so that the lumps do not form. You should constantly whisk it so that the lumps must not form. Now to start with the Chettinad chicken, we'll add a bit of refined oil. Into that we'll add tomato onion gravy and we'll give it a mix. Then we'll add the Chettinad masala which we made earlier. We'll mix it well. Then we'll add the boiled chicken which has been boiled in water and salt. Now we are going to add the white stock or the chicken stock. We'll give it a mix, and again the gravy should not form lumps. We'll add the bajra and we'll give it a mix. Now after 15 minutes the Chettinad chicken is done, and we'll start with the spinach vinaigrette salad. To prepare the vinaigrette dressing for the salad, we are going to add olive oil, vinegar and lemon juice. We'll combine it well and we'll add 1 teaspoon of pepper and salt and we'll mix it. Now that the vinaigrette is ready for the salad, we are going to start with the curried coconut sauce. For that you require coconut cream, then we'll add hung curd, then we'll whisk it so that it gets a thick texture. Keep on whisking it and no lump should be formed. Now we'll add the Madras curry powder, around 1 teaspoon, and we'll whisk it well. Now we'll prepare the tadka for the curried coconut sauce. In that you need some oil. We'll add rai. Now that the rai is done, we are going to add the curry leaves and we'll mix it well. We'll add the tadka into the curried coconut sauce and we'll give it a whisk. Now that we have added the tadka, we'll mix it well. Now that the coconut curry sauce is done, we'll move on to the tarts. To make the tart, we'll add the roux based sauce. We'll spread it evenly in the tart. After the sauce, we'll add the Chettinad chicken filling. Now to cover the tart, we'll roll the dough and we'll cut it into the tart shape so that it covers it well and the filling does not come out. Now we'll cut the dough into the shape of the tart from using the tart tin and we'll place it on top to cover it. Now we'll put this tart into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will remove it from the oven. After it is out from the oven, we'll let it cool down and we'll start with the spinach salad. To make the spinach salad, We'll take spinach leaves and add it to the vinaigrette. We'll add walnuts and we'll add feta cheese. After adding all the ingredients, we'll give it a good mix. Now that all the elements are done, we are going to start with the plating. This is a recipe high in protein because it has ingredients like almond flour, chicken and curd. Ragi or finger millet, it is largely grown in Karnataka. It is gluten free and has many nutritional benefits. It is also a good source of dietary fiber, potassium and iron. Bajra or pearl millet. Bajra, it is grown in Punjab and Rajasthan. It is also gluten free and is beneficial for those who have celiac disease, promotes digestion and maintains gut health. Bajra is packed with fiber, magnesium, potassium and calcium. It helps also lower blood sugar and controls blood pressure.